watching fireworks in Bedford, if that's really clear to you guys. Yeah. This is super cool. They're so pretty. There was, yeah. Sorry if it's hard to see them. It's the light. I don't have control of that light. I'm really sorry, but I'm doing the best I can. I'm not the best at this, but okay. Oh my god, that's blurry, isn't it? Yep, it is blurry, I'm sorry. Okay, I have to put it. Wow, it's so pretty, I love the paint. I think these fireworks are going to go on for 30 minutes because we got here at 9:30 and it's about to end at 10. Plus, there's like a sign across the street that says July 4th, 3 to 10 p.m. So I'm pretty sure they're going to end at 10. I usually have like 9 hours of sleep. They're so pretty.
You okay?
Yeah.
Are you under the gal? Or Isaac?
None of that. Why do you think I'd be talking to them? Stars, we see them every night. That'd be super pretty. I'm actually gonna post it. Yeah, I don't know when I'm gonna post it. I might post it tonight right now. But